Imagine an AI that truly understands your needs and works for you, right on your own computer, without sending your data anywhere. Today, we're diving into how to set up a powerful, agentic AI using Deepseek, and crucially, running it entirely on your local machine for ultimate privacy and control. The first step is to prepare your environment. This involves ensuring your computer has sufficient processing power and memory. Think of it as building a strong foundation for your intelligent assistant to operate efficiently. Next, you'll need to download the necessary Deepseek model files. These are the core intelligence of our agent. We'll be selecting a model that best suits your desired level of complexity and computational resources. Now, it's time for the integration. This stage involves configuring your system to recognize and utilize the Deepseek model. You'll be setting up pathways and parameters that allow the AI to communicate and operate within your local network. Once everything is configured, you'll launch your agent. This is where the magic happens, and your personalized AI assistant comes to life, ready to take on tasks and provide assistance based on its trained knowledge. By keeping everything local, you're gaining an unprecedented level of privacy. Your data, your conversations, and your AI's operations remain securely within your own hardware, giving you complete ownership and peace of mind. This local integration allows for truly personalized assistance, acting as a dedicated partner that learns and adapts to your unique workflow, making your digital life more efficient and secure.